Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 21st October 2020. Your chapter 4 business services was going on. In the previous class, I have told to you about the types of accounts of bank. There are some types of the account. In the previous class, I have explained two types of the account: saving bank account, and current account. So today I want to continue it. So benefits of the current account was remaining, so I want to continue from the benefits of current account. Here you will write benefits of current account. You know about that the businessman can withdraw and deposit their money in that type of the account in many times. There is no restrictions to deposit the money. There is no restrictions to withdraw the money. So on the basis of that type of thing is the main motive is related from the smooth functioning of the business. So here you will write it enables businessman. First point, it enables businessman to conduct their business transactions smoothly as there are no restrictions on amount and number of withdrawals. It means there is no restrictions to deposit the amount and withdraw the amount. Relates from how many times, relates from how much amount. So there is no restriction. The businessman can deposit money as per their requirement, can withdraw their money as per their requirement for the smooth functioning of the business. Okay. Now second benefits relates from the businessman can make direct payment to their creditors with the help of checks. In the current account, the bank has been also provided the checks to the customer. So at the time of the payment to the creditors, the businessman can use that type of the check for payment. Okay, clear? Third point, the bank collects money on behalf of its customers and credits the same to their accounts. It means bank can also perform their activities related from the deposition of the money, collect the money, then after that they can also deposit their account. Fourth benefits is the most important benefits. Some students has also listened about the overdraft facility. Maybe some students in the accountancy you have also studied the bank reconciliation statement, that is the short form in BRS. So in that chapter you will also get the topic relates from the overdraft. So bank has been also providing the facilities to the current account holders, that is relates from the overdraft. What is the meaning of the overdraft? Bank has provided the facilities to the current account holders. The businessman can withdraw more than amount in the comparison of their balance, and that limit has been allotted to each and every business एज पर देयर ट्रांजेक्शन्स। इट मीन्स ओवरड्राफ्ट क्या है, अगर बिजनेसमैन को कभी कैश की कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ती है सो बिजनेसमैन अपने बैलेंस से ज़्यादा अमाउंट विड्रॉ कर सकता है बैंक से, बट दैट लिमिट हैज़ बीन डिसाइडेड बाय द बैंक ऑन द पोजिशन ऑफ द डे बाय डे ट्रांजेक्शन्स ऑफ द बिजनेसमैन। बैंक हैज़ ऑल्सो चार्ज ऑन दैट एक्सेस विड्रॉल ऑफ द अमाउंट। ओवरड्राफ्ट पर बैंक क्या कुछ चार्ज भी लेती है, दैट इज रिलेटेड फ्रॉम द इंटरेस्ट ऑन ओवरड्राफ्ट। So, but that is the facility is beneficial for the current account holder. So here you will write current account enables the account holder to obtain overdraft facility. So these are the benefits of the current account holders, and that benefits is only relates on the businessman because current account has been opened by businessman only. Current account open करने की जो facilities दी जाती है that has been only provided to the businessman. Okay, so now next account, third account is related from the fixed deposit account. Fixed deposit account, as per the name of the fixed deposit, you know about that some amounts has been invested by any person, any company, any investors to their bank for a specific time durations, that is related from the fixed deposit. So you can also tell it a fixed deposit account is the type of account in which a fixed amount of money is deposited for a fixed period at a fixed rate of interest. Okay, so here you can write it here also, a fixed deposit, in the short form you have already told to you FD, in fixed deposit account is the type of account in which a fixed amount of money is deposited for a fixed period at a fixed rate of interest. In the comparison of the saving account, in the comparison of the saving bank account, saving account is also called the saving bank account. Bank has provided the interest on FD, interest on fixed deposit amount more than the comparison of the saving account. यानी saving account के comparison में fixed deposit के account पर बैंक का interest के rate को ज़्यादा भी provide कराता है. Clear students? Now see the features of that type of the account. So main features of the fixed deposit account is, here you can also write the heading features of fixed deposit account. First, a fixed amount is deposited for a fixed period of time. एक फिक्स अमाउंट क्या होगी, एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम ड्यूरेशंस के लिए आप फिक्स कर दोगे. देन सेकेंड पॉइंट, द अमाउंट डिपॉजिटेड along with the interest is payable at the time of maturity. इट मीन्स जो अमाउंट आपने डिपॉजिट करी है, कितने समय के लिए आपने डिपॉजिट करी है, और इन दैट टाइप ऑफ द अकाउंट द डेट हैज़ बीन मेंशन रिलेट्स ऑन द मैच्योरिटी. कितने डेज पर आप, कौन सी डेट पर आपकी वो मैच्योरिटी होगी, एंड व्हाट अमाउंट यू विल बी रिसीव विद इंटरेस्ट. ओके, Third point, the time period for a fixed deposit can range from 7 days to 10 years. यानी कि आप 7 दिन से लेकर के 10 साल तक या उससे भी ज़्यादा आप अपना पैसा उसमें डिपॉजिट कर सकते हैं. यूजुअली फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट्स आर फॉर a period of 1 year, 2 years or 3 years. It means some person has deposited their amount maximum time 1 year, 2 year या 3 years. यानी कि usually लोग उसे use करते हैं, but you can also deposit your money as per your convenience. Clear? And you know about that the fixed rate of the interest will be also received. And one thing more, I have already told to you, the rate of the interest is higher in the comparison of the saving bank account or any other as like recurring deposit account. I will also tell to you about that recurring deposit account. You can also write the point here only. The interest rate paid on fixed deposits is higher than the interest paid on savings or a recurring deposit. ओके, रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट्स भी क्या है बेटा, एक अकाउंट है. आई विल ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन इट अबाउट दैट. सो इन द कंपैरिजन ऑफ other types of the account relates from the saving bank account or RD, any recurring deposit account, the rate of the interest is high. Okay, now fifth point, depositor can take loan or overdraft facility against fixed deposit. Usually banks provide 90% of fixed deposit as overdraft limit. It means in the amount of the FD, in the amount of the fixed deposit, the account holder can use it as like a overdraft facility. Overdraft की facility भी उस पर ले सकता है. और the account holder also can take the facilities related from the loan on the mortgage of the FD. यानी FD के बेस पर FD को गिरवी रख के बैंक क्या अकाउंट होल्डर को, फिक्स डिपॉजिट के अकाउंट होल्डर्स को फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड कराता है. दे कैन टेक द लोन. ओके, नाउ हियर यू कैन ऑल्सो सी अबाउट दैट रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट. सो आवर नेक्स्ट अकाउंट इज ऑल्सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल वांट टू राइट द बेनिफिट्स. ओके, बेनिफिट्स यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट एज लाइक दिस. लोन फैसिलिटीज मिल जाएगी एंड ऑन द डेट ऑफ द मैच्योरिटी द अमाउंट यूज टू मेक परचेज ऑफ द एसेट, सो दैट इज remain the similar. So I want to continue from the recurring deposit account. Next account is based on the recurring deposit account, or in the short form you can also tell it RD account. Okay, listen. A recurring deposit account is a type of account which allows the account holder to save fixed amount on regular basis for a fixed period of time. It means you know about that type of thing is related from the, for example, if you want to save your money, if you want to save fixed money, as like आपने ये सोचा आप सैलरी होल्डर हैं, आपने सोचा अपने सैलरी से या इनकम के पार्ट से, या बिजनेसमैन भी हैं, आप कुछ पार्ट अपना सेव करना चाह रहे हैं रेगुलर बेसिस पर, एज लाइक आपने सोचा हम 1000 रुपीज़ हर मंथ सेव कर लें और 5 ईयर्स तक सेव करें. सो फॉर दैट टाइप ऑफ द थिंकिंग यू कैन ओपन द RD अकाउंट. अगर इस तरह की कुछ आपकी थिंकिंग है तो आप क्या RD अकाउंट ओपन करा सकते हैं. ओके, यानी आप डिपॉजिट करेंगे एक फिक्स अमाउंट हर मंथ बाय मंथ. एफडी में क्या होता है, आपने एक साथ माना आपने 1 लाख 5 लाख एक साथ आपने डिपॉजिट कर दिया, 5 ईयर्स के लिए आपने सबमिट कर दिया, 10 ईयर्स के लिए कर दिया, 3 मंथ्स के लिए कर दिया, या 1 ईयर के लिए कर दिया. सो दैट हैज़ बीन फिक्स्ड, amount has also fixed and duration has also fixed. But here the amount you have been deposit month by month. आप month by month आपने ये डिसाइड कर लिया 1000, 4000, 3000 आप month by month अपनी अमाउंट डिपॉजिट करोगे, and for that 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year as per your convenience. So that account is based on the such type of the facilities. So here you can write a recurring deposit account. A recurring deposit account is a type of account, which allows the account holder to save fixed amount on a regular basis for a fixed period of time. Okay, so it means that type of the amount has been deposited on the fixed period of the time, clear, and the amount has been deducted on the month by month duration, any fixed amount. So what are the features? You write features of a recurring deposit account. A recurring deposit account. First feature is, you can write the feature also here, a fixed amount of money is deposited on a regular basis, which is usually monthly for a fixed period of time. Okay, एक specific time durations के लिए you can deposit your amount. Second point, in the second point you can write it. Second point, the rate of interest is higher than the rate of interest paid on savings account. It means the rate of the interest in the comparison of the saving account will be higher. Saving accounts इसमें ज़्यादा rate of interest होता है. Third, the rate of interest depends on the amount and the period for which it is deposited. यानी आप जितने टाइम ड्यूरेशन के लिए कितनी अमाउंट आप डिपॉजिट करेंगे, सो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट हैज बीन ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इट. एंड द लास्ट पॉइंट इज अकाउंट होल्डर कैन टेक लोन अगेंस्ट रिकरिंग अकाउंट डिपॉजिट. इट मीन्स जितनी भी अमाउंट आपकी डिपॉजिट है, if you are the recurring account holder, so on the basis of your deposition account you can take the loan. Okay, clear students?